Mirror picture is a common problem in China LED TV. This video shows in details how to solve the mirror picture problem. Don't skip the video. Service menu factory is menu 1147. Go to the panel setting option by remote scroller down button. Again press the remote scroller right button. Press scroller down button and select mirror option, then press scroller right button. Video reverts depends on the mirror option off and on. When the problem is solved, press exit button and leave the service factory. Another service factory is input or source 2580. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share.